Everyone, welcome back to my 34th tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna see about anonymous function. Anonymous function is a function that is defined without a function name. Generally we'll create a method with the help of def define keyword, but in this anonymous function we doesn't require the def keyword. Instead of that we'll be using a lambda function. So let's see the example. I'm creating a method square num, then I'm returning the output as num star star 2. Okay, I'm squaring the value. Now I have a set of list 3, 4, 5. Now the addition of the square of list is map of square L1. So I'm using a mapping function. This mapping function will help us to map the function and the set of inputs. Now I run the program. The square of list is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So the list of values is squared. Okay, similar wise I'm having another example. Addition num, return num. I'm adding the values with 5. I'm doing the same here. Sorry. The addition of list is mapping of add L1. Okay, yeah. Now the list of values will be adding with the number of 5. So this is a mapping function. With the help of mapping function we can able to mapping the method with the list of inputs. Now I'll show another anonymous function is called lambda mapping. Instead of creating, in this example we created a method. With the help of this method we called here and we done the process. Now here we're going to create a own method with the help of lambda keyword x comma y. Now I'm adding x plus y. I'm passing a set of inputs, list of inputs 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a lambda function. This lambda function is like a normal function but without a name. That's why we are saying that's why we are calling it as an anonymous function. Now I run the program. When I run the program, this value will be added with this value and this value will be added with this value, because this list will be considered as a x and this list will be considered as a y. Now I run the program. Yeah, the values are added and the output of this here. So in order to make you more curiosity and in order to make it so interest, I'm having another method too. I'm having another keyword which is called filter. So filter, the name itself implies you what is a filter. Filter will help us to filter the values. Okay, now x mod, I just want to filter the odd values from the list of inputs. I just want only the odd values, so I'm creating this method. Now I run the program. Let's see, only the odd values are filtered. If you want only the even values, we can change x mod to double equal to 0. Now only the even values will be filtered. So with the help of filter function we can do this kind of process. And we have one more special method, it's called reduce. This keyword will help us to reduce the set of list inputs. Okay, now x star star x star 2, come on, set of inputs are 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, sorry, now y x star y. Now this list will be undergoing for the process. This value will be considered as a x, second value will be considered as a y. First, these two values will be multiplied. 1 2s are 2. Now 2 will be act as a first x value and 3 will be considered as a second value. 2 3s are 6 and 6 value will be considered as a x and the 4 value will be considered as a y. Like this, it will do the operation. Finally, the value is 120. This is a use of reduce keyword. So likewise, we will be having totally 4 anonymous functions. First one is mapping and second one is a lambda. Lambda is nothing but is anonymous function. We can create a method without a name, and we'll see the filter. Filter will help us to filter the required inputs according to our specification, and reduce will help us to reduce a certain list of inputs. I hope you got a more idea about what is an anonymous function. In my next tutorial, we'll discuss about the special keywords called product and counter. Until that, stay hungry and strive hard for better tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.